Well, I forgot to put the microphone on today, so I'm going to have to give you a bit of a voiceover as I go along. So this is how to draw a cereal box, an open one, because last week I showed how to draw a closed one. This was requested by Joseph Hernandez. And so I'm going to start out here drawing very, very lightly. Don't press too hard, because we're wanting to erase these pencil lines after we've drawn in ink. So I'm starting off with a very thin vertical parallelogram, and next to it I'm drawing another parallelogram and another parallelogram on the top. So those three parallelograms turn into a box. That's the side and the front and the top. Now I'm going to draw the side flap there that has been kind of folded back a bit, and then we're going to draw that front flap, and as it goes straight across like that, but it has that little tab on there to sort of reclose the box, and then that's going to be the back flap there with a little slice in it where the tab sort of fits in, and then we want to draw the internal packet bit, that sort of plasticky bit that goes inside the bag is the word we're probably looking for. And then that's the kind of the crimping around the top where it's all stuck together. Now we need to draw the bits on the front. There's a funny little tick in there where it says Nabisco. It says Nestle under there, and now we want to write shredded wheat in. So again, drawing very, very lightly. It's quite difficult to get lettering to fit. There's a little heart there, and then we put wheat underneath. And then at the bottom of there is a kind of a heart-shaped bowl, in which there are 2 shredded wheat, because no one eats 3 shredded wheat, do they? And on the side there we have got little ears of corn, and here go those 2 shredded wheat. And then there's a little kind of ribbon. Then there's this kind of little ribbon that goes around the bowl saying original or something like that. And then on the side panel we've got the sort of written panels, and all the writing will be at an angle that goes with that kind of parallelogram angle. So we've got some, writing telling you how healthy it all is for you and all the details. We might have little kind of boxes there with more details and barcodes, maybe, something like that. And now we can start inking it in. So I'm going to sort of start there, go all the way along. So that's kind of the front of the inside of the box, and then we can draw the plastic insert bag sort of coming out from the inside. That will come down to the inside of the box, if that makes sense. And then this is the kind of the crimping lines all the way around the top of the plastic. Next we can draw the flap on the side there, and then the flap on the front. So this is the top flap that's folded down at the front. That goes back to there, and then this is the very back flap, and then we also need a back side flap there as well. And now we can draw these 3 lines coming straight down and connect them together at the bottom to create the box. Now we just have to kind of draw in all those bits. The lettering and the shredded wheat, we can probably speed through the lettering and stuff and the side panels. And we can pick up on this ribbon that goes around the heart-shaped bowl at the bottom, and that says original on there. Then we can draw a heart shape going around the top, and then it continues underneath like that. And then we want to draw these 2 shredded wheat around like that. They have that kind of shredded wheat kind of curvy look. I'm doing a video on the next video I'm going to do is going to be all about how to draw mini bite-sized shredded wheat in a bowl. So it's how to draw a bowl of cereal is the next one. And here we just have very, very simply drawing in the little ears of wheat on the side. Now draw in the edge of the table, and then when you are absolutely sure that the ink is dry, you can erase all those pencil lines because you didn't press too hard, did you? And now it's all about shading. So I'm putting a bit of shading on the plastic bag inside. So that kind of plastic bag inside the bag, and then this is the shading created by the bag being inside the box. So that kind of gives it the feeling of being inside, and then some little bit of shading behind there. Then underneath this flap we're going to need some shading, and that serves, and on the front flap too. And this bit of shading really kind of helps to bring that forward from the box itself. Then all we really need to do is put some shading on the bottom to put the box on the table, and then do a bit of colouring in. And there you go, how to draw an open cereal box. Well, thanks for watching. Please like this video and make sure you are subscribed to the Draw Stuff Real Easy channel. You can support my videos by following me on my Patreon page. Put your drawing idea requests in the comments box below, and remember to keep drawing, drawing, drawing. Practice, 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 and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye bye.